Can also have question of this form. If A ratio B equals 2 ratio 3 and B ratio C equals 4 ratio 2, find A ratio C. Now, the question may not ask you to find A ratio B ratio C. You can just ask for A ratio C. So to find A ratio C using the same method, so A ratio C, it means I'm only doing this first one, 4 times 2. Normally it should be 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. And 3 times 2, 6. But I'll just do the first and the last. 4 times 2, 8. And the last one, 3 times 2, 6. So I'll just do that. So that will be 8 ratio 6. So now let me go back to, let's say it is A ratio B ratio C, so that you can understand better. Now, based on our short method, we say 4 times 2 first. So that will be 8 ratio, again 4 times 3, that will be 12 ratio, then the last one, 2 times 3, that will be 6. So if the same number can go in all, you are free to reduce. 2 here, 4 ratio 2 here, 6 ratio 2 here, 3. So that means A ratio B ratio C is equals to 4 ratio 6 ratio 3. So now from here, what is now A ratio C? So A ratio C is equals to 4 ratio 3. Answer. But instead of doing A, B, C, so you can actually focus and do what the question asks direct. That is A ratio C. That means you are doing 4 times 2. That will be 8 for the first one. Ratio. Now the second one should be 4 times 3. I will skip it because that will be for B. I'll just do the last one. 3 times 2, 6. So 8 ratio 6 is 4 ratio 3. So I'll get my A ratio C direct. So that is how you can do it. So if the question is fraction, it's the same way. So let's say if S ratio Y equals 1 over 2 ratio 3 over 4 and Y ratio Z equals 1 over 3 ratio 4 over 6, find S ratio Z. So because it is S ratio Z, I don't need to solve everything. So S ratio Z now will becomes, I'll just say 1 over 3 times 1 over 2. So again, it should be 1 over 3 times this. I'll skip for the second one. So I'll just do the last one because it's S ratio Z. So that means this will be 1 over 3 times 1 over 2 ratio, then the last one, 3 over 4 times 4 over 6. So that means this will becomes 1 over 6 ratio 4 can go, 3 here 1, 3 here 2, ratio 1 over 2. So what's the LCM of 6 and 2? LCM is 12. So you are multiplying each by 12. So 6 here 1, 6 here 2. So that will be 2 ratio 2 here 1, 2 here 6, 2 ratio 6. And you can actually reduce this. That is 1 ratio 2. So answer. So take note, if the question did not ask complete, so you don't need to do S ratio Y ratio Z. Or if you do S ratio Y ratio Z, you can actually pick S ratio Z. But it's better you go straight to the point.